Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got OPI Hot and Spicy. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is OPI Hot and Spicy. It's another gifted polish from Miss Tammy over at Mrs. Case Corner. And OPI was my first major polish purchase. And this color is very similar to one of the first ones I ever got. So it's going to have a special place in my heart for many reasons. One, because it was gifted from a friend. And two, because it takes me back to the beginning of my nail junkie journey. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Look at that. So pretty. I bumped one of them, so I'm having a dab over that middle nail again. The casualties of painting your nails. So we're going to go in with the second coat. Although I'm quite sure I could have got away with one. Look how pretty. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And then we're going to do a little bit more playing. We've got some serious playing to do again today. You know, sometimes I have time. I am going to cap that free edge. We'll have to get Woody back out here. And y'all excuse the little boo-boo over on the side of my finger. I don't know what I did. Ain't no telling. There we go. Here's a swatch photo of Hot and Spicy on its own. I'll be using these Born Pretty chameleon looking flakies. And there's the number for them if you're interested. Actually, these are more like cellophane flakies. And I'll be using that Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls to help these stick on and lay flat. I am going to go ahead and paint all of my nails with this with a regular coat of it, not too thick, not too thin. Get me a sticky base and get to playing with these. Can't wait for y'all to see the end result. It doesn't even look like this. Y'all gonna freak out. I did. I was like, oh my gosh. So here we go. I'm gonna use one of those applicator brushes and just kind of tap some of these Mylar flakies. I don't know what these are called, really. I honestly don't know. But these are so pretty. You can put them over any color. You can turn like a regular manicure into something that says Shazam. Just with the tapping of this in. I mean, it's crazy. Now, after I got these all tapped in, I didn't show it, but I broke out my little brushy brush and I dusted off some of the excess around my skin. But some of it was sticking pretty good, so I'm going to show you how I remove that too. Those pesky little pieces. Look, this is just too much fun. And you could wear a manicure just like this without even stamping. But y'all know I'm going to stamp on it. Cannot help myself. So I flipped my hand around so I can see it pretty good and see if I have any spots that need any attention. I'm going to use a piece of tape to get some of this up off of my skin. All around my finger. I got that stuff everywhere. Kind of my habit. I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Manny Let's Go Top Coat. And I'm going to let that dry down. Now, in hindsight, you guys know how some things like this will eat up your top coat. I might would have used the Jealous from American Classics that I get from Sally's to kind of do a thick top coat and then topped it with this Let's Go Top Coat. Looks pretty good, don't it? I'm going to use GoGo only, and this is the St. Mary plate. This is one Miss Becky sent me. I've got Braves Diva on the blackout again, my monocle stamper and Maniology scraper. I am going to use this Burt's Bees cuticle cream with a little brush, and I'm going to go around my fingers with it really well. Try not to get it on my nail polish. And then this image right here caught my attention, and I'm going to put it on all 5 fingernails. As y'all know, sometimes I got to make them all accent nails. That's just how I like to do it. I get busy playing and I don't want to stop. Clean that off on the lint roller, and that is pure acetone cleaning the plate. We're just going to keep on doing this. And I know necessarily y'all didn't need to see me doing all of them, but I am playing, having fun. And if you get bored, you can fast forward. There is a fast forward button here on YouTube. You can also speed it up and make me talk like a chipmunk if you want to. That ought to be funny with the southern accent and chipmunk it. Might be just too much. So I'm turning my hand around so I can see it. I do like doing it this way for lining stuff up kind of in the middle. I still don't get them perfect. Nobody's ever going to notice. There's so many images on this plate I want to use. It's a wonder I didn't do 5 different ones on each nail, but this image just looks so cool. I had to have it on all of them. So I'm having a happy time with this manicure. All this layering and just too much fun. There we go. Ta-da! I'm going to go in with a piece of tape, and most of this is coming up. I've got this couple of stubborn pieces up at the top. We're just going to have to get some acetone on that to get that off, obviously. But a lot of it's coming up with just the tape, which to me is just wonderful. Means less acetone I've got to use. There we go. We're going to get this acetone out. My Maniology cleanup brush, which I'm still loving, by the way. I think for the money it's a good deal. I really do. I've been using it a lot here lately. It's not my beloved Sonia Kashuk's brush, but get what you can get, you know. Look at that. I am going to top it with the smudge-free top coat and seal the stamping in so that I can put my regular shiny glossy quick dry top coat on. And today it's the Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat. This is just crazy cool, isn't it? Oh my goodness. It's a wonder I got anything done with this manicure on. It's so pretty. I really, really, really loved it. So I hope you loved it too. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Here is my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.